what we're going to demonstrate here is our spray applied rubber. So this product is called TritoFlex 2K. It's an instant setting rubber. It forms an actual rubber waterproofing membrane, not all that different from EPDM or your car tires. So what I'm going to do here is show you a little demo first so you can see what we're going to spray. This is the rubber. He's going to take the other side there so you can see the high elongation, the tensile strength. So this is used for roof recovers, restoration, repairs, and obviously it retracts there as well. Comparative to, say, an acrylic, which obviously acrylic roof coatings have no elongation or tensile strength. Again, just a reflective paint, essentially. So great as a top coat, or you have silicone, which obviously once it tears, it's like cheese, right? So what we use the TritoFlex rubber for is as an actual durable, flexible waterproofing membrane on an existing roof surface. So the unique part about the spray is that it sets instantly. So we can spray any thickness in a single coat. 100 mils, 2 inches, 10 inches, and it can be rained on immediately. So he's going to go ahead and spray a nice thick little pile here. So you can see it's 2 component. The 2 products mix in the air and instantly form the rubber. So this can be rained on immediately and there's no wash off. You can spray as thick as you want on a vertical surface and you don't have slough. So in the end it's forming a completely seamless rubber membrane, like putting an EPDM single ply over your roof, except now you have no seams or termination bars and all the flashing details. So you can see what's coming out of there is water. Here, you guys have water again, so maybe you're ready. You can sit down there. So what he's showing here is a water-based product with no VOCs, so it's completely solvent-free. And so you can see here what's coming out is that water. The water starts to sweat out, and as it does, it grabs onto the surface, and it begins to form that final product that I saw there. Again, the instant set technology is not instant cure, it's instant set, so you can build the thickness and have that instant rain resistance. But obviously it still has to go through its normal water-based curing process, like any water-based product. So he's going to spray, so this was, for example, a seam on like a modified roof. So he's going to go ahead and spray the product, and you see how it instantly seals up that seam? So now take the mil gauge here, Doug. So he has a mil gauge, and he's going to check the depth of the product. So you see there, he's checking to see if it's the right wet millage to get 60 dry mils. So the average application of this is a normal membrane thickness, which would be 60 or 80 dry mils. And here, just so you can see, this one's already broken, but these are plates that are coated with the rubber. So you can see the type of durability that this has. And obviously it completely breaks inside. So the material is non-breathable. It can withstand any amount of ponding. So the warranties that we have do not exclude ponding water. They cover up to baseball-sized hail and 170 mile-an-hour wind gusts. We actually have a box here that's lined with the brush grade, which Brandon will demonstrate. So not only is this a spray-applied product, we have it in a brush version as well, single component. And so this box has had water in it for over a year, and it's simply lined with the brush grade rubber. So this material is also used for full water containment for years and years on end. So when it comes to a roof, water's not going through this, no matter how long it stands there. It also is completely impermeable, meaning that it also cannot allow any oxidation. So on a metal surface, that metal cannot rust or experience any oxidation at all with this on top of it. So this is the actual brush applied rubber here. He's going to spread onto a pipe, so you can see it's a much thicker product. So this is great for roof repair, for small waterproofing projects. Of course, the question everyone asks, is the only color black? Yes, this is rubber. You don't find other synthetic rubbers that aren't black. So what we use, obviously, in a roofing situation, you can see our board over there, is we have a number of options for top coats that are reflective or any custom color that are acrylic in nature or other types. And we also can apply the acrylic with the same equipment in an instant set form. So you can apply the reflective acrylic top coat with the catalyst and have any thickness in one coat, and it can be immediately rained on. So you have no washout possibility with the acrylic top coat as well. But if you want to see that board over there, it shows the system of the base rubber coat, the membrane, with the acrylic top coat. Again, this is the acrylic here. So you can see it's great to have a white roof that's reflective and UV protected, but you have no properties out of a membrane. This will break down under ponding water, whereas an actual membrane does not. So the analogy that I like to use is this is a sunscreen for your skin. This is the skin. PVC is your skin. EPDM is your skin. It's a pliable, flexible, durable membrane that's intended to keep things out. These acrylics and silicones are permeable, they're breathable, they're great as a sunscreen to protect the membrane from premature failure and degradation, right? They're great for that purpose as a wear layer, to extend the life of a membrane. But too often, silicones and acrylics are used as a waterproofing membrane, but you can see, for example, on metal, you have nothing for stretch and elongation, and then once the tear starts, it just pulls right apart. You can see that on our demo up here with the watermelons. So that's the purpose of the rubber, is for roof recovery, restoration, repair. It's used in new construction as well, waterproofing, anti-corrosion. It's used often to protect steel and concrete from acids and from caustic substances. So it's a very hardy, durable rubber. Again, very similar to EPDM. Everyone knows what's the issue with EPDM. The seams. That's where you have your failures, your flashes, your details. With a seamless rubber, you eliminate those traditional failure points you have in a conventional roof. So if you have any further questions, feel free to ask us. These guys here spraying are actual certified contractors, so they have a lot of field experience.